Okay guys, welcome back to the Cat King video series, and we've just discussed about the exams you have to apply after CAT is done. Now one very important thing which you need to keep in mind is all the colleges which are accepting CAT scores as well also. Remember, you have to apply separately to these colleges, not just for CAT, also in fact you filled up the forms of NMAT, SNAP, all of these. You have a list of colleges which are accepting these scores, so make sure you go ahead and apply to individually all of these colleges as well also. So, and do not miss out deadlines. Some of them are already closed, so we'll not be able to go back to them, but you still have a lot of other colleges which you can still apply into. So make sure you guys do not miss any of these deadlines. Your FMS and NDI and SP Gen 3 colleges. SP Gen, when I say, is the SPJIMR, that's your Mumbai campus. Those 3 colleges applications have closed down. The ones which are lined up further ahead, you have MICA, which is for Marketing College, which is 25th of November, so make sure you apply that up. SOIL, which is based out of Gurgaon, they have a 2 years program of business design as well as some leadership programs, so make sure you go and check out their details. That's till 30th of November. We have SP Gen Global again, which is till 30th of November. This is one college which has a lot of multiple intakes, multiple rounds of applications. So make sure you check the website up. You will get, in fact, I'll share the link with you guys on the description as well also, to get more information about all of these colleges, and you can check out their websites to get in exact more details. Then you have IMI Delhi, again amazing college, which is on 2nd of December. There is XIMB, which is in Bhubaneswar, it's 8th of December. So it does take your CAT as well also, just check it out, it takes that as well. We have GIM, that's your Goa Institute of Management. One fun and important thing for you guys, if you're taking GIM for the aspiration of living life in Goa, it's outskirts of Goa, it's not in the city of Goa, so you can obviously get in GIM, but you can always also go into any of the other colleges and go and spend vacation time in Goa like what we did from NMIMS, but so you will enjoy that also, but that's a different story. 31st December is the deadline, make sure you fill in your forms. Censor, that's your KJ Samaya, it's going to be first week of Jan. The exact deadline is not yet out, I think the forms have also not yet started, but it will be somewhere around first week of Jan. You have TAPMI, which is again 17th of Jan. SDA Bokali, again a college which gives you a little bit of international exposure because they have a Milan campus and Mumbai here as well. 20th Jan is their deadline through the CAT applications, and I think you can keep looking at applications, applying and getting in earlier as well also. So do check that out. You have NITI, which is the best college for operations, 22nd of Jan. Then you have Wellinkar, which is till 26th of Jan. You have a lot of programs, lot of options here to choose. Mumbai campus, Bangalore campus. You have specialized sector programs like business design, healthcare, e-business, retail, a lot of options, like rural management. So if you're someone who's looking at sector specific, go and explore this so that you can apply to all the PGDM programs. They also have one more round, but the earlier rounds are always better. Guys, whenever you have a lot of colleges with multiple rounds, this is a concept from all the international colleges. Apply in the earlier rounds because you have more chances. It's always better to be the first starting applicants. IITs, their forms have not yet started. They usually start up in the first week of Jan and end up also in Jan itself, so stay tuned for the updates on the same. Then you have colleges like FLAME, IFIM, ISBR, even they have not yet released their deadlines. I think they have rolling based applications, so go check out their websites for more details. Apart from these, there are still a lot of other colleges as well also. I have not given you an exhaustive list. Feel free to drop in your comments to know more about what colleges to apply and everything. And in fact, in the description you'll find a link which talks about the expected cutoff for in terms of percentile for all of these colleges, a chart which you can refer to so as to know basis what you are expecting your performance, how much do you get further ahead scores, and apply to them. Alright, all the best, stay tuned to the channel, and if the videos have been helpful for you guys in your preparation and what you're looking at, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share with all your other fellow aspirants as well also. All the best, do well.